Hey, and welcome to our channel. Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into the Swift versus Python debate to determine which language reigns supreme. If you're wondering which language to learn or use for your next project, you've come to the right place. So, let's get started. Swift and Python are powerful programming languages with unique features and applications. To determine which language is better suited for your needs, let's compare them in crucial areas. But before we get into the comparison, let's start by understanding the meaning of Swift and Python. Swift. Swift, developed by Apple in 2014, is a modern programming language that replaces Objective-C for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS app development. It combines C and Objective-C features, making it efficient, safe, and developer-friendly. Python. Python is a general-purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum in 1991. It emphasizes code readability and simplicity, offering an easy-to-understand syntax that reduces the code required for complex tasks. Python is known for its versatility and is widely used in various domains. Comparison factor. Swift offers excellent performance due to optimized execution, making it ideal for resource-intensive applications. Python, an interpreted language, may be slower but excels in simplicity and readability. User case. Swift is ideal for iOS and macOS app development, integrating seamlessly with Apple's frameworks. Python excels in web development, data analysis, machine learning, and scientific computing due to its extensive library ecosystem, including popular libraries like NumPy and Pandas. Community and support. Swift has a growing Apple-focused community with resources, forums, and tutorials for iOS and macOS development. Python's diverse community across industries offers abundant learning resources and libraries for various use cases. Learning curve. Swift's concise syntax and strong typing make it relatively easy to learn and read, which benefits new programmers. Python's simplicity and readability also contribute to its beginner-friendly nature, making it a popular choice for those starting their coding journey. Industry adoption. Swift enjoys significant adoption by top companies such as Apple, Airbnb, and Lyft for their iOS and macOS applications. Python is widely used by tech giants like Google, Instagram, and Netflix for various purposes, including web development, data analysis, and AI. Conclusion. Swift and Python are powerful languages with strengths and applications. Swift offered seamless integration with Apple frameworks and optimized iOS and macOS development performance. At the same time, Python's versatility, extensive library ecosystem, and community support make it ideal for web development, data analysis, and machine learning. The choice between Swift and Python depends on needs, project requirements, and personal preferences. Both languages offer industry value and provide developers with exciting opportunities. Explore and experiment to find the perfect fit for your coding journey. Thank you for watching the video.